ओके ल पढ ल
School is a big, busy place where I go to learn and have fun. In the morning, I put my backpack and say bye to my mom and dad. At school, I see my friends and we talk and laugh. Before class starts, my teacher is kind and helps me whenever I don't understand something. We learn to read stories, write sentences, and do math with numbers. Sometimes I feel a little shy or scared, but my teacher and friends make me feel safe and happy. At school, we don't just study, we also play and create. We draw pictures, color, sing songs, and sometimes do small projects. Recess is my favorite because I can run, play on the playground, and play games with my friends.
I like lunch time
too. We sit together and
eat and
talk. Sometimes there are special days like art day, sports day, or the class party. School is not always easy, but every day I learn something new and I feel proud of myself.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Continue.
Thank you.